Safely drive your strut from ground level with iTOOLco's Strut Driver. The Strut Driver eliminates the need for climbing up ladders and using sledgehammers to drive strut into the ground. Plug the Strut Driver into your SDS Max hammer drill. Then ensure the hammer drill is in hammer mode and drive it home. The unique engagement teeth allow users to drive strut sizes ranging from a 1/2 inch to 1 5/8 inch from the side. Simply insert the engagement teeth into the strut, then drive. Once the strut is driven in far enough, move to the top of the strut to finish driving it to the final grade level. Check out our full line of rod and strut drivers online at www.itoolco.com. The Strut Driver from iTOOLco.